The next major Google property that we're going to be looking at, and in fact one of the most powerful ones indeed, is Google Sites. Okay, and it is very powerful for the simple reason that these sites all have a domain. They all sit on google.com. So you can see sites.google.com view lose 10 kilograms in 30 days. That's the actual URL of the site. So this is sitting on probably the most powerful domain in the world, certainly the most powerful as far as Google is concerned, and it passes huge amounts of link juice. How do we go about building a Google site? So it's actually quite simple, but what you need to do, much like anything else, is you need to collect your, you can call them materials before you can create the site. So in this case, if we have a look here, I've got a banner here at the top, I've got an image here, I've got a video which says weight loss service near Cape Town. The video has Cape Town in it, in the name, and weight loss. Then I've got another link here. This is what I call a super title, and you can see I've got bar slimming injections, but the main keyword, lose 10 kilograms in 30 days, I've put it in the middle, and then pregnancy, belly fat loss. Okay, so these on pregnancy, belly fat loss, these changes all the time, and so does by HCG, slimming injections. That changes all the time, and so that's spun content. We have a link here, which if we look down the bottom in the left hand corner, we can see that is going to the actual business.site. This link here is linking directly to my GMB. The next part of the that you're seeing here, where it starts with lose 10 kilograms in 30 days, that's the title being repeated as an H1, and then see how to lose 10 kilograms within 30 days in Cape Town is an H2. And then I don't have a great deal of copy here, because this is like really a demo site, but it's all extremely well spun, embedded in the site, the .business site that you get supplied with each GMB. Now this is brand new. We're actually 1,000 miles away from Cape Town, but we've just started targeting that market. So you can see we've got a few posts that are up already, not that many, and we've only got one testimonial, one review, and then a couple of images, and then this is the map. This is the area that we are actually targeting, the whole of Cape Town. So what you have to do before you build a site is you need to get yourself an image, a banner image, and you need to optimize it. And the best way to do that is to use like some software. I will actually show you how to do that later, but what the software does is it puts in the metadata, it puts the title, the keywords, it can put an whole article in there, it can put schema in there, it can put the geolocation of the image. That's the most important part. So this image here and this one here are both optimized for the for Cape Town and for lose 10 kilograms in 30 days. So you can see how this is really, really powerful, and this is a Google entity, which so these links that we're passing here are very powerful, that one and that one. Now included in this is the video, and as you saw, we went through the video module already, but this is weight loss service. That is the category of which weight loss, all weight loss is in weight loss service, and then your Cape Town. Alright, so that's actually a keyword as well. In fact, if you search for weight loss Cape Town, Google searches for weight loss service near Cape Town and brings up the relevant sites or GMBs. Okay, At the bottom, I have just put a foot in. What you should do here is add your NAP, your complete business address, so that it matches exactly those in your YouTube video. Okay, so let's have a look at the different pages that you should create. You should always create an About Us page, and again it puts the header in there. And I've just put some copy in here, but you should craft a proper and About Us page, because that leads to many conversions. The Contact Us page is interesting because you can see I've just, like I said, call or WhatsApp Helen there. Okay, I've got the title in here, and I'm linking to the business site. All right, and I've got a My Map in there. Now, My Map is really powerful these days, and but that's quite an advanced strategy, and it's something that we will be showing, we'll be teaching in our weekly webinars. All right, so moving on, let's go to the things to do. Now, why do we have things to do? This is to show Google that we actually service this area. You can see our business is over here where the pin is, and Cape Town City Centre is over there. So we're telling Google via this driving directions and all of the local data that we have on this things to do in Cape Town that we do service this area. We also have a place name, place ID for Cape Town, and that is Google's place ID, and if you had to search that on that, you would get to Cape Town. Then it finds things to do. Okay, so over here we have Boulders Beach, Robben Island, because often you might have in a little area where there's no interesting things to do. It might be a one-horse town and the horse is dead. So then we look for restaurants, because no matter what, there's always restaurants. So you can see we've got these open. So if I click on that, you'll see it opens the knowledge panel. So we're linking directly to a Google entity, again a verified entity, and this is the power of it. So things to do in Cape Town, we are relevant for it. And then we've got the different towns that we're targeting: Simonstown, Hout Bay, Gordons Bay, Stellenbosch. After that, they're all pretty much the same, except that in each one it changes, you know. So these will be different things to do, like in Hout Bay, Chapman's Peak Drive. Those are the different things to do in those towns. But then we have a look at the keywords here. So now, lose 10 kilograms in 30 days in Cape Town. Okay, so now we've got our keyword there, lose 10 kilograms in 30 days in Cape Town. So, you know, these are to find people targeting terms like how can I lose 10 kilograms in 30 days? And they're searching from Cape Town. Okay, so because our proximity is increased with these, where we're showing Google how, you know, with the driving directions and that we actually service, although we're sort of out towards the you know, it's an hour and 7 minutes drive from the centre of town. We nevertheless do service it. So let's have a look here at Hout Bay. Okay, and now we can see it's saying lose 10 kilograms in 30 days, Hout Bay. So if someone in Hout Bay had to search for anything which includes these terms, they're going to show up, because we are linking here to our the actual Cape Town site. All right, and we are okay. So over here we're linking to the actual GMB. So, you know, these are very, very powerful links that we're sending to the GMB, and it's coming from a Google verified entity. And here we have a well-spun article, and again a driving directions from Hout Bay to our business. Okay, so we through these pages we are showing that we are very relevant. If somebody in Hout Bay had to search for lose 10 kilograms, or how do I lose 10 kilograms fast, or how to lose weight fast, Google can read all of these things semantically, and they will show our website. So that's all we have to do, keep on doing that, and we'll eventually start dominating in Cape Town like we do in Johannesburg. Okay, so that's how you build a website. As you can see, it'll probably take you quite some time, because you need all of the different materials, like the images, the videos, the keywords, the articles, and what we will show you. You can do this, but it takes some time. We'll be able to show you how to ramp this up to a very large degree, and I think you're going to love that.